Make a great choice today with the 2014 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, running boards, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, power brakes, ambient lighting. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.